I got this microphone, I didn't know how to properly fix it. This is how I do fix it. And then when I see other content creators, they fix their own, sometimes it's there, and I'm like, how did they clip it? How? Something as simple as clipping a microphone can be what someone do not even know. Can you imagine? So sometimes I clip it this way, but this is not how to do it. So recently I got to know how to do it. I figured it out myself. Like the way this content creation is, a lot of things we have to figure it out ourselves, and that's good. We learn on the job, we learn on the go, we learn on the move, right? So because it's magnetic, what you're just going to do, or what I did was that I just put it on my clothes without the magnets, the other part. So now I'll just turn my dress to the other side and just put it here. Can you see? Yeah, voila. Done, done. So this is how to perfectly clip your mic. So in case you are figuring out, you're trying to figure out how to do it, I just I just thought of it that if I could find it difficult to do, maybe someone out there might also be trying to figure out how to use this thing. So content creators don't tell us how they buy equipment and then they don't know how to operate it. And your equipment is sitting down in your house looking at you face to face, and you don't even know how to operate it. You are just looking at it, looking at that camera, looking at that microphone, looking at, and you don't even know how to operate it. And you've watched YouTube videos and you're like, man, I cannot even come on. So kudos to you content creators out there trying to figure it out on your own, learning from YouTube, learning from other creators. But the truth is that you still have to figure it out on your own. So don't give up, keep on pushing. We keep doing this, we don't give up. Why don't we give up? We don't give up because there's so much God has placed inside of us that can be a solution to someone out there. I can begin to count 1, 2, 3 things I've learned from this YouTube platform. There was this day that I could not remove the regulator, like the pipe now. I could not detach it from the cylinder. And I was struggling with it. Bush girl that I am, I was struggling with it. I was like, how do I feel the cylinder now? And the gas has finished. How do I feel it? I just went to YouTube, how to detach pipe or regulator from the cylinder. And I just watched one clip, like 2 seconds or 3 seconds video. And the guy showed me how to do it. And very easy, just a press the side and lift. God, I learned that from YouTube right there. So because of that, we won't give up. If we can come here and find solution, the same thing I also try to do every day, be a voice of encouragement, be a voice of ginger, be a solution giver. I remember there was this video that I shared my relationship video with. There's some of relationship advice I shared on this platform. I shared it with her on Facebook, and she replied that she's really grateful for all these things I'm doing because she wished she had known all this advice I'm sharing while she was much younger, that she would have been better in life. She would have done better. She would have made better decision. And I just told her, I say, girl, it's never too late to start again, never too late to get it right. It might seem like it came too late, but I want to tell you, the best time to plant a tree was yesterday or 20 years ago. Another best time, another good time to plant that tree is today. So in case there's anything at all, you're wondering if you are needed on this space, you're wondering if your value, you are wondering if you should do whatever, go ahead and just do it. This is the best time. This is your best opportunity. Go ahead and do it. You never know who you might be helping. People might not comment, they might not engage with your video, but I tell you, they are seeing it. Like, way to know you are doing well, that sometimes people don't say anything. They just view, they just watch what you're doing and they just pass. Don't say anything. Doesn't mean that they are not seeing it, but just keep doing. Don't let that stop you. You don't know who you are helping just by showing up. You don't know who you are encouraging. And the person is thinking, if this person can do it, I can do it too. So that's why we will not give up on this YouTube space or whatever it is God has put in our hearts to do, whatever it is it has committed. So I don't know who is giving up already. Please don't give up. Let this be an encouragement to you today. Don't give up. You don't give up until you win. You don't give up Don't stop because you're tired. Stop when you are done. That's my mantra now. I used to be the girl who will stop whatever when she's tired. But now, by the grace of God, I want to stop when I'm done, when I've completed that which I want to do. Because do you know what? It's even more stressful on your mental health when you are procrastinating, when you are leaving things undone, things that you know you should do, things that you know will give you joy, things that you know that by the time you're done with it, you'll be happy. But when you're leaving it undone, it's even more stressful on you, on your mental health. So why don't you just do the hard work? Do the hard work and then be happy. Do the hard work now. Do it now and then be happy. Show up regardless. Even if no one is engaging, no one is liking your video yet. Now, I started this video by talking about my mic. Now I'm talking about YouTube content creation. I'm talking about not giving up on life. And it's so amazing how all these things intertwined, how all these things intertwined, how all these things are interconnected. Like your attitude towards things that seem so little, it can go a long way to affect your attitude towards things that are equally big. So in case you are here, you're already wondering how you're able to push, how you're going to continue, please, girl, carry yourself and move on. So thank you for watching this video. My name is Oluwafunmilola, and I would like you to consider subscribing to this channel, like this video if you enjoy watching it at all. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.